YouTube, back with another video. Man, I'm in the lab, as you can see. A nigga in the lab today. So me and the boys had to get haircuts and shit. So the day went away. As far as me working on the car, I was gonna button up the wires and all that stuff, but as of right now, I'm gonna tackle these seatbelts. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see what we got going on. Okay, so as you can see, a nigga in the lab, you know, a nigga been practicing on that little craftsmanship type shit. Like the little Duval be saying, type shit. But you about to focus on these seatbelts. I'm gonna try to get as many of these seatbelts knocked out as I can. Let me widen this camera up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna tackle these seatbelts and try to get this shit done today, so that'll be out the way. So it's kind of good that I'm jumping in between. As you can see, never mind the room, but as you can see, it is damn near dark outside. So what more of a good time to do these damn seatbelts? So I got the seatbelts, the webbing where he wanted all black. So you know, we got these little ones to tackle. We got the ones that go in the back. So we got two of them, 3 buckles. So one for each side and then the middle. And then we got the black belt. So really we only got 2, 4, 6. We got 8 seatbelts to wrap, but these take a little bit more time. Because you gotta do these shits accordingly. So you gotta pretty much, what I do is I just lay these out, lay my ribbon out, cut, and put these back the same way you got them. Because if you don't put them back the same way you got them, you're gonna have problems when you go to reel it in. And shit, man, we about to get down and dirty. I think I'm gonna change my thread, put some black thread in here, because I got my gray hooked up. Throw my black thread through here, so that way everything go accordingly. But shit, man, let's get started. I'm gonna put it on time lapse pretty much. I go with the first one like this. You just fucking lay the ribbon down, and then you just bust it down. Make sure it's facing the same way, and the flaps is going the opposite way like this. Just make it, you pretty much just mirroring this for those of y'all who don't know. So, and then you see the stitching. So the stitching ain't nothing too fancy, but you know, it's got enough in there to hold it just in case of a collision. So shit, man.
Big dog status, Bill Hubble. I ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag, told the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock, and going as Jordan as dead. For leak water, trying to drown a bitch. That's a habit, tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm clipping a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like a dump. Shit, like her first gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm hiding the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making my ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that man.
Okay, YouTube, so here we go. First seatbelt done. As you can see. Got the stitching in there. Even though it's black, that's what I like to see. But first seatbelt done. And I'm about to just go ahead and stay with y'all on this. I'm about to turn this camera around so that way y'all can see one live in action. So that's that motherfucker. Motherfucker came out pretty damn good. Okay, YouTube, so now I'm about to, as you can see, motherfucker came out pretty damn good. So we about to do one live in action with y'all. So we go with the next one. You just gotta make sure you do this the same direction. So I'm gonna tilt this down like this, and then just go through it with y'all on how I do them. So I'll pretty much get the ribbon or the webbing, and then I'll put it up here like this, and you know, once it go through the seat belt, it's gotta fold over. So I make my little flap, and then I'll come down to this side, measure it, and then you know you gotta fold it again. So I'll cut it about right there. It's gonna fray on you. So I'll take my lighter and melt down the ends of it. Melt down the ends of it real nice on both sides. So that we keep it intact. And then I'll cut this buckle off. I'm gonna raise the blade. Actually, here we go. So razor blade dull than a motherfucker.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I don't know why when it comes time to record shit don't never go. I ain't editing this motherfucker. Shit don't never go as clean as it do on time lapse. As you see, it don't be no hiccups on time lapse, but it's real life. It don't really take this much. I could just go in the garage. And get a fresh razor blade, but a nigga lazy right now. So as you can see, we done spliced the buckle. So we know that the flat comes in through here. So we're gonna take this off. So we know that the flap goes in here and then out and flaps down that way. So we'll take this, we'll bend it up in the triangle, take it through the bottom or through the back. Pull it through just enough to get you some space, about the same length. Hold that down, and then we can begin the stitching. I ain't about to go through no tutorial on this stitching. But we just go up in there. I'll go up in there like this. Make sure it's even. Start my stitch. Lock it in. I can't even see. Pretty much lock it in. Take it down. Take it back. Take it down. So you just pretty much just going in the swiggly line, and then I come back down and go back the opposite way just to give it extra support. Lock it in, pull that out. Pull that out right there. Cut off my ends. Cut the back pieces off. I'm gonna need that. And then that's what you get. And then I always run my lighter across the little tabs. Across the little tabs that be sticking out. Get them an opportunity to melt in with the rest of everything else. And shit, that's pretty much what you got. So And then come over here, bring y'all over here, and we pretty much put it back like we had it. And then we know down here at the bottom, it goes through the top and then down at the bottom, and then it ties in. We stitch in on that side. So see if I can get y'all positioned in. We're gonna go ahead and do it like this. I ain't trying to cut my motherfucking finger off. So I'm gonna just do it like this. Cause we know it comes in. Throw that out. We know it goes in from the top. And then swing in from the bottom like this. And then just give it enough for some stitching to hold on to. Boom. Come over here. Position y'all up right there. Come over here. Tie me in. Needle up, pull that back. Cut the tabs off. I need to get another tripod to fucking hold this damn shit up. And that's pretty much what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Get them frays off of there. Boom. Come through here. See the stitching. Whoa. Oh my goodness. And we come over here and let me turn this camera around. Come over here and boom. We got the same thing, same length. And then you just fucking repeat the steps. I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that one, but I'm gonna knock this one out first. I thought I had another one. Nah, that's it. 3. So I'm gonna knock this one out real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to do this one. I'm gonna show y'all how to do one of the ones that go across your chest, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to do one of these. So just stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. So this is how we're about to do this lap belt. So you pretty much just lay this thing down like this. Trying to get y'all in a good view so that we can pretty much see everything. Okay, so pretty much you lay that down like that. You take your webbing, and then you come over here like this. If you notice, at this end, it's rolled up. If you notice, this end is rolled up probably like 1 time. So you pretty much take it, you roll it up like it is here. That starts your length. And then you go all the way down. And then you got this flap right here. So then you got to make up for the flap. So making up for the flap, I say probably cut like right there. So pretty much get the scissors. We gonna cut it about right here, cause just as long as it's long, you can't go wrong, cause you gonna have the adjustment piece on there anyway, which is that piece. You gonna have the adjustment piece on it. So this is how we gonna do this. So we pretty much got our length. So we gonna lay this out like this. We gonna cut. Sit right here. That's a little bit better. So we gonna cut this off. We gonna cut that off, and then we notice that this belt is laying down. The buckle is downward, so we ease this out. I don't know about easing it out, but we'll take this out like this. And remember, it's laying down like that, so you just pretty much gotta stay in order. And then we get this, gotta get this in here. This be the hardest part. Fucking with this seatbelt shit. So hopefully this shit don't take a long time. Or I might have to put you niggas in the time lapse. So we just ease that in there. Let me melt that side real quick. That's what I was saying. That's why it's important that you get rid of this fraying, because if not, it's gonna keep on breaking apart as you try to put it through there. You kind of want that crispy edge, so that way you'll be able to get it through there. I ain't never really seen a better way of getting this in here, but you just gotta pretty much work it. And then I take a little screwdriver. Trust me, this shit, y'all can see firsthand that this shit ain't easy at all. The last ones I did went fairly easy, but you know, you get them ones sometimes that pretty much cause a headache. You just gotta pretty much be gentle with it. Throw that tab up there. Pull that shit through like that. It's like butter. So we got that. So now, you know, we gotta roll this side, and then this side has the buckle on it. So we'll go ahead and cut that off. It really don't matter. It really don't matter which side you fold over, because this is gonna be up under the seat anyway. This is the mount part that goes to the star head. So this one mounts up under the seat, so it don't really matter how you stitch it on there. It really don't even matter on the other side either. Just as long as you get it like it's supposed to be. So let me turn this camera around. Okay, so I'm back. So we gonna go ahead and do this edge first. We gonna go ahead and put this in there first. So grab this lighter. Grab the lighter. Melt this in. That end up. Fold it down. And let's get the stitch in this boy. Try over here so you can see. I ain't no professional at this stitching shit, but I watched enough videos on DIY to know how to do this shit. It might look like I'm a professional at it, but shit, I'm just going with the flow like anything else. That's why I be telling everybody, I mean, ain't none of this shit hard. It's only hard if you make it hard. It's only hard if you make it hard. Anybody can do this shit as long as you got 2 hands and you dedicated to do this shit, man. This shit is not hard at all. Fray them little edges. We good. That end is good. Show y'all that. That end is good. And we're gonna go with this end. So remember, on this end, it was folded like 2 times. And I still gotta do like research on like the different type of needles, because I be using this needle for everything. I mean, I don't be really doing no extensive shit, but I mean like no heavy duty shit, but like when you get the folding like material and stuff, it's kind of good. It's kind of good that you know exactly what needle and stuff that you're supposed to use. I haven't really grasped that yet, but I ain't too bad. I ain't too bad with this shit though. Your boy ain't too bad with this shit. You know what? I know a little something. Cut them ends off. Them back ends off. Melt this shit down. And then there we go with that, so that the seatbelt part won't retract and come off of there. So see if y'all can get that in the light. That's a little rectangle, nothing too serious, but shit, that's done. Turn y'all around real quick, and then here we go. Something light, you know. That one's done. So now the next one I'm gonna show y'all. This shit over here. But this is a little workroom, but we do need to clean the floor. We do need to clean the floor, and my battery about to die. But man, let me charge this battery and let me go get the charger, and then we'll resume. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I had to get something to eat. Some Zaxby's. This fucking Philly cheese chicken sandwich. So never mind me smacking. I just wanted to get on here real quick. Of course, I'm gonna do this one, but I had already did one. This is pretty much how it came out. That's the old one, and this is the new one. So I'm pretty much about to do this one the same way. I'll show y'all how to do this one. I think I'm gonna I think I'm gonna pass on showing y'all how to do the other one because I'm ready to get this shit done. This editing, like this video recording shit, it take a lot. But you know, just to give you the before and the after. So I'll show y'all how to do this one, and then I might show y'all how to do the last one. But I'm gonna do one first, and then I'm gonna show the one that I show y'all. I'm gonna make that the last one, cause I really only got I got 3 left. So I got this one, and then I got the two lap belt. I mean, not lap belts, but the ones that go across your chest that sit up front. So let's stay tuned. Let me eat this real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's get back to it, y'all. So, hey, hold on. I'm just trying to get this shit done. Okay, so with this one, what I do is I pull this out, and then I take my clamp and I clamp it here. I clamp it here so it can't retract in. So I clamp it there. I keep this straight like this, so that way I know how to make my bends and everything. So right here, I'll cut like right here. Let's see. Because you gotta make sure you can get it up under the sewing machine. So I'll cut it about right here. Melt that end down. We'll leave that right there. I'll come over here. I'll grab the webbing. And I'll measure it down here. And then, you know, of course, you save room to bend it back and then flap it over. So I'll say probably about that much. Throw that to the side. I'll take the seatbelt. Let me turn this camera around. Okay, so then, see if y'all can see me. So then I'll take this, I'll lay this back down, and I pretty much sew this piece onto this piece. And you don't really want to pretty much sewing these two pieces together. So, let's make sure it's straight. Cut down that. Flip this hoe over. Okay. Cut that shit. That's pretty much what you gonna get. So you tie them together. You tie them together and you come back over. Come back over. You lay this shit back down. Lay it back across. That's another reason why I don't like doing these videos that much, because it be taking up all the storage on my phone. So pretty much, let's make this quick. So we'll take this, we'll cut this off so we know it comes through and it wraps around. So we know it comes through. Build that triangle. Bend this shit towards the front. My fucking camera keep cutting off, so keep saying that it's full of storage, and we pretty much gonna do this like this, and then motherfucking battery going dead, so yeah, unfortunately, this gonna be the end of it because my battery is dying. I was gonna show y'all how to do that last one, but y'all pretty much get the concept. It's just about mirroring the same fucking seatbelt that you're working on. You just gotta mirror the motherfucker and it'll come out good. So that's that. Boom. And then take this off. And just like that, boom. Just like that, you have your seat belts. So 2 more to go. I'm about to knock these hoes out. And shit, nigga. Motherfucker, that's that. You know what I mean? So shit. Stay tuned for more videos. And I'm out. And YouTube, here we go. All the seatbelts is done. From burgundy to black. Yes, sir.